Welcome to my channel Netcast on the Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to add CC in team meeting invite in Outlook. So when you create any team meeting and you want to send as a CC, you can do this. So let's start with the video. I'm going to show you in this video tutorial. So guys, before we start, I request if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me come on my Outlook app. So you can see I have opened my Outlook app. So let me go in my calendar. So under calendar, you can see I have two calendars selected here. So I just selected one calendar only. But okay. So now you can add the CC in your existing meeting also. If you already create the meeting and you want to add some CC in this meeting, want to send as a CC, just select this meeting, just double click on it, and it will be open like this. Now you can also add team meeting or Zoom meeting if you want. So I just add the team meeting. So it is, sorry, we need to sign up. Okay, I don't have sign in team, so you just sign in. Okay, it is created, I think. Okay, if you want to create it from here. Now here you can see the optional. You can add the optional if you want. Now you want to send this meeting as want to add someone in CC in this meeting, that you need to send as a iCard. Just click on this down arrow and you can see the forward as a iCalendar. Just click on it, and now you can see this is iCalendar. So people need to open it. So now this is from, and you can add the people to or CC. You can add people in CC. The same way, if you're creating new meeting, that you can add the people in CC, but you need to create a meeting in iCard. You have to send the meeting in iCard option. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.